Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF in the Microsoft 365 Office. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So either you are using like your Microsoft Office from the cloud, that means like on your web browser, or either you are using it from your computer, it will be the same result. So all you will be needing to do is to simply start a document, you do your editing, and then you simply save as a PDF. So now I'm just going to my Word. So I'm just going to use the one on my computer. So let's just start as a blank document. We can start drawing, do whatever you will like. So let's just do something like that, like trying something like this and do a smiley face or whatever. And basically, at the end, we will be needing to simply save as a PDF. So from here, you will find the file menu. By clicking on the file menu, you will be able to save your documents. And from here, we will want to click on Save As. And from here, we will be able to change the format or the extension of our documents. And one of them we will find like PDF. As you can see, it will be a PDF file. So you will enter the name, my converted or my converted doc, and basically we can save it. So you can save it wherever you would like, either on the computer or like on OneDrive or whatever. So let's just browse. Let's take it to the desktop. I'm just going to click on save, and now it has been saved. As you can see now, it has like opened, and now it has been opened as a PDF. So now we have successfully selected or saved our document to a PDF. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.